Good day. If you're having problems with your Canon R7 and Godox flash or Godox trigger, here are some steps that you can take and possibly solve them. First of all, when mounting a Godox flash or a trigger on the new Canon hot shoe, make sure the flash base mount doesn't slide all the way in. But only until you hear the first click. If you go too far and hear the second click, just back up a little. Now all the pins are properly in. Don't forget to lock it. Then, turn on the flash before you turn on the camera. Turn on the camera and make sure you are using the mechanical shutter or the electronic first curtain shutter, which can be found in red menu 7. The flash will not fire when the electronic shutter is selected. Now, the next step is quite important. Go to the Autofocus menu, tab 3, and in AF Assist Beam Firing, select LED AF Assistant Beam only, or disable it altogether. In most cases it is useless since the lens or the hood blocks the light beam anyway. Do not choose the Enable On option, since it seems to be the main cause of the problems related to using Godox accessories with the Canon R7, R3 and presumably R6 Mark II. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more tips.